Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna say first impressions. I've never used these products before. They're not like brand new, so I'm sure you've seen videos or maybe you've used these products before, but it's my first time trying them. It's been a long time since I've sat down and filmed. I'll probably get into it. Nothing crazy has happened in my life. I've been just trying to do my own thing, but I'll get more into that in the video. I did just get over a cold, so if I'm still a little like, not raspy, but if my voice sounds a little different, it's because I'm just still getting over this cold I've had for 2 weeks now. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I really didn't want to do a new brow product today because I'm sick and tired of filming myself doing my brows. Like, I don't know, doing them on camera is like fine, but once I go back and edit, it's just, I'm like, why do I do this to myself each time? Like, I know no one else enjoys it. I am trying a new brow product today. So I have the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. It's kind of one of those pens where it has like a different color pen each time. My chair is so squeaky. I didn't tighten the legs and I'm sorry. Anyway, I got Brown Black Light. Maybe I'll zoom in. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade, and I guess you can kind of twist it. Like, the fact that this is a lighter shade is crazy to me because it's so dark and I don't like my brows like super dark, but I'm gonna save myself some trouble and I'm just gonna cut the camera now. So what I wish it did have was like a spoolie. I'm gonna switch over to the definer. I don't know if it's like meant, because the color of it is so light, it could be a concealer, but like I kind of want to fill my brows with it. I probably just lost like 10 subscribers just now from doing what I just did. That is literally for like to conceal. I'm gonna switch to the deeper shade. Like, this one's like a number 6 in the Benefit brow products. So now I'm gonna go in with the definer shade, the one I tried filling my brows with, and see what we can do to clean this up. I despise these brows right now. They're thick. What's next? I'm gonna do a new eyeshadow palette. I don't even think it's new. In fact, it might have been discontinued. It's called Electro Pop from Kevyn Aucoin. Now, I just started using Kevyn Aucoin products recently. I have, what do I have from them? I have a liquid lipstick. I don't think I've used it on my channel. Maybe I'll use it today, but it's a really pretty one, so I like it. And this is what the shadow palette looks like. Now, obviously, you know, this does not scream my name. I mean, you know, I'm a neutral kind of girl, so there's a lot of pop of colors in there, and I thought it would be cool to use one of them. I guess I'll do a swatch. I'll do this icy shade first because that might be one I use. Okay, well, it's pretty chunky, honestly. It's a gold, and I was actually thinking about using that one. I'm gonna try this third one right here, that rosy tone. I might go outside of my box. I was wearing lashes for a little bit, like maybe like a week. And I was like, wow, I'm kind of good at this. I was using the velour lashes, and I feel like they are really easy to use. And then I quit that day job because it was not working out. I was getting more frustrated than anything. So since I'm gonna be working around that rosy color, and I feel like that's a cool tone, so I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Pro and Cool just to get like the shadow work done. I've been using concealer lately on my eyelids. I don't really know why, because I have so many primers that I could be using, but I'm also despise this Tarte concealer, and it's because it is thick with 2 C's. I mean, it looks great. Like, it applies nicely, but then you try to blend it out underneath your eyes and it just quickly becomes a hot mess. Like, you definitely have to use your finger to rub it in. I usually use this concealer to like carve out my brows, honestly. While I blend out my eyeshadow, I was just kind of gonna, I guess, catch you up on like what I've been up to. Honestly, as always, I'm not really up to much. I've just been kind of, I wouldn't say laying low, but like I've been just doing my thing. I was trying to catch up with some people, which I think I mentioned in my one of my videos recently. And I was, and then I don't know, I just been trying to grind and like, and I mean that by like, I'm been trying to save up money. For those of you in the back, I was actually trying to, I guess, move when our lease was up. The more prices I saw, honestly, it's like the price of a house at this point. And I'm like, well, why would I pay all that rent when I could just buy? Also not saving at the moment, like I haven't been. And I'm like, well, maybe I need to save. And being in this apartment will allow me to save. And so that's kind of what we decided to do. Maybe another year or 2, maybe 3, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I really just don't like these apartments. We've had some issues and I don't really want to get into it because I don't even, just going in with just like a cool brown color. Try to define the crease a little bit. Guys, don't sleep on the Sephora Pro palettes. Like, get them. I know they're like a price of a Huda palette, but you get more shades and like, they're just great pigment. Like, I know a lot of people didn't really like the cool palette and it is a little bit harder to like work with the shimmers in it, but they're nice. Like, what can I say? So in turn, me and Pat decided we're gonna go on a vacation this coming up summer. I know it's only November now, but get it while you can, you know? So I'm gonna go in with a deeper color. Really getting in that crease. All right, so I'm debating if I want to cut my crease. I feel like that could be a little risky. All right, I'm just gonna go in with like an Anastasia, one of the duo brushes, and go in that pinky rosy shade. Very, very iridescent looking. Interesting. If this is a discontinued product, I think I may know why. So I just learned that this palette is actually a discontinued product on Sephora.com. And I said that I was gonna be doing first impressions on new products, kind of new. They do have this new one called Nude Pop, and that one's actually gorgeous. Let me try going in with the white a little bit. I don't know how I feel about this. This is a very odd situation. An idea just struck me. I am gonna go in with the black in this palette. Feels like it's a different formula than the ones I just used. Say a prayer for me. I know there's a space up there. Things are coming together. I didn't want to do liner, but like I feel like I need to because I don't want to put lashes on. All right, so I'm taking the Milk Makeup Longwear eyeliner. I think this is new too. I haven't used it before. So what I was trying to tell you guys earlier, I haven't really been posting much on social media. I've been really active on my Twitter lately, so I don't know what got into me. I don't even know if I tweeted today yet, but I've been trying to tweet more. I just haven't been in the picture taking mood, and like I was for like a 5-second period yesterday, and I took a picture of myself and I uploaded it. I don't know. Sometimes like, and I think a lot of people go through this, like you just don't really like feel yourself for like a minute. This is very, very glidey. Like it goes right on. I'm just gonna go in with some black eyeshadow real quick. I'm probably gonna really embarrass myself putting on lashes. I'm gonna use the Duo. They're called Live-In Lashes. I'm using Duo Glue and I'm using Live-In Lashes from Velour. Alright guys, so my lashes are hanging on by a thread. I'm gonna go in with the Hangover primer from Too Faced. I haven't used this guy in a while, so I'm hoping that I like it this time. As you guys know, I am normal to dry. It just feels tacky to me. I'm going with the Luminous Blur Stick. I feel like giving this one another shot because I used to hate this one. I just feel like it doesn't actually blend my pores in. Like if I go over that with the original Blur Stick, the original Blur Stick, oh my god, I can't talk. Original Blur Stick, I bet you it's gonna go on smoother and like actually blur my pores. Yep, already doing it. And then to be extra, I've been using this, I know my Sephora stopped selling this, but I saw it was still online. It's the Ready Set Radiant. And you can use it as a setting spray or a primer. And I've been just trying to get an extra glow. So I'm gonna hold it far back. I'm going to actually mix two newer foundations. So I have the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. This is a new formula. They did have one that was, I think, called similar to this. And then Marc Jacobs, I have the Shameless foundation. In the Makeup Forever, I'm Y205, and the Marc Jacobs, I have R150. Clearly, I have issues matching myself. Both of these I tried matching when I was pale because I have been dabbling in self-tanner. I haven't done it in a while, but I'm definitely a neutral tone, and I feel like these two mixed together may actually work out because this one's a matte finish, full coverage. This is like a medium, if that, finish, and it's like a natural. I don't like this mix. It is way too light for my skin. Not only is the color wrong, it's also pretty dry. And I bet you my concealer is gonna be darker now. The primer did not work for my skin. I also have this Kevyn Aucoin contour book. There's a blush, 2 highlighters, and then 3 contour shades. I'm definitely gonna go in with the light one first, just to try it out. Now I'm gonna go in Sculpting Medium. And now I'm taking my other brush, and I'm just gonna kind of mix all 3 to put up my forehead. My dry ass forehead. And now I'm about to go in with that highlighter called Beam, and I feel like this one may be a little bit more flattering for my skin tone. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try to wet the brush a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with one of the blushes. I'm just gonna stick to the left hand side. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sculpting Deep color. I do like that palette, and the highlighter is pretty. Alright, I gotta put mascara on my bottom lashes now. Almost done. I do truly feel like if you properly are hydrating your skin, even though it feels dry right now, as the day goes on, it should start to feel a bit more moisturized just from your natural oils working. And I swear this is not sponsored by Kevyn Aucoin, but I have a Kevyn Aucoin lip I want to put on. I feel like this is a very neutral color. Alright guys, this is my finished look. I really truly love the eyes. Obviously, you know, I'm not really feeling my complexion today. I mean, it looks like it's getting a little bit darker, but it doesn't look bad, like looking at it like that, and it could be the lighting. I feel like I was like all over the place, but it's okay. I hope you enjoyed it. If you still have faith in me, please like and subscribe and maybe come back for my next video. Let me know if you've tried these products before and if you liked it or if you hated it. I would love to know. All right, guys, until next time, bye.